Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting sticker images and placing them where Goodnotes can access them. Use the Files app or drag and drop from another app. Once done, import PNGs or hike with transparency to preserve edges, because that keeps stickers crisp without white boxes. Make sure to add them to a dedicated sticker book page in your notebook so you can copy and paste quickly. This first step saves time later and ensures consistent sizing defaults when you begin placing stickers on your pages. Now place a sticker onto your page using copy-paste, the image tool, or drag from your sticker book. You should see transform handles immediately. Use the handles to resize and rotate, pinch to scale, or drag corners for precise control, and use the lasso to select multiple stickers when composing scenes. Once positioned, tap Arrange to send stickers forward or back and lock ones you don't want to move, because that prevents accidental shifts while you write or add more elements. This makes layouts tidy and easy to edit. Finish by exporting pages as PDF or PNG at high resolution to preserve sticker clarity, and make sure iCloud Sync is enabled so your sticker book follows you across devices. If you run into issues, stickers disappearing, low quality, or unresponsive handles, first re-import the original file, then clear the app cache or restart Goodnotes. These steps usually fix corrupt thumbnails or transform bugs. If problems persist, update the app to the latest version to get bug fixes and improved sticker handling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.